Hi there. Today we're going to take a look at how to improve print quality on a HP Envy 6120. Now this is nice and simple. It can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. Now we're going to start this process by doing cartridge cleaning. And to do this we need to go into Menu from the touch screen of the printer, and we're going to drag the screen up until we get to the Tools option with this yellow icon here. From Tools we go into Troubleshooting. Then in troubleshooting, we have the second option down, which is cartridge cleaning. So we press to go into that. Now, we have two separate levels of cleaning here, level 1, level 2. Level 2 is more severe, we'll use up more ink. So as a first port of call, I'd recommend going for level 1, unless you've really tried that and you're looking to really try and push that ink through the cartridge's printhead. So here we go. So press start. And if we give the printer just a minute. And as the eagle-eyed among you may have noticed, there is actually a print option at the bottom right of the screen, which isn't immediately obvious, but pressing on that will print a print quality diagnostic report, which is essentially a test page, and a great way of checking the result of your clean. If you were interested in that specifically, we have a dedicated video on our channel, and you can just carry on doing cleaning cycles and test pages until you're perfectly happy. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.